In this video, we are going to talk about methods to visualize a categorical variable. A categorical variable consists of observations that represent labels or names. We can summarize the categorical variables with a frequency distribution. First, we group the data into categories and record the number of observations that fall into each category. The relative frequency for each category is the proportion of observations in each category. When you multiply this relative frequency by 100, you will get the percentages. We will use a bar chart that depicts the frequency or relative frequency for each category of the categorical variable to visualize the frequency. So in this video, we are going to talk about a survey. An urban university conducted a transportation survey as part of its commitment to reduce its carbon footprint and comply with the Federal Clean Air Act. The survey was distributed to students, faculty, and staff members in order to learn the patterns of their daily commute. In the survey, one of the questions asked is, during a school week, how do you commute from home to school? And there are 5 options: drive alone, public transit, bicycle, walk, and other. And 600 people responded to the survey. Our job is to construct a frequency distribution and a bar chart using Excel. You see here that we have mode of transportation and number of respondents. Mode of transportations are drive alone, public transit, bicycle, walk, and other. Here we are going to fill with numbers. To do that, we are going to use COUNTIF function. Start with an equal sign and then type COUNTIF and open the parentheses. We want to count the number of respondents who select drive alone. So here we are going to select from A2 till A601. And since we want to know the number of drive alone option, in quotation mark we are here going to write drive alone. Be careful, we type it here as it is recorded in the dataset, drive_alone, and close the quotation mark and close the parentheses and enter. For public transportation, we will use the same formula, COUNTIF, and we select the dataset first, and then next, in quotation mark, we will write public transit, _transit. We have 273 respondents choose public transit. And now for bicycle, COUNTIF. Again, the dataset is A2 through A601. And then in quotation mark, bicycle, and enter. COUNTIF A2 through A601, walk, enter. And COUNTIF A2 through A601 and other. So this is our frequency table. We are going to visualize this data using a bar chart. So first we select B2 and C6, and then we use insert button and then choose the bar chart here. We don't want a column chart, so we want a bar chart and click here. Note that we constructed a horizontal bar chart. If you wish to construct a vertical bar chart, then you would choose insert a column chart. We are going to format this chart. First of all, we can change the chart title, mode of transportation, and then also add data labels. We can also add here axis titles. I'm going to choose only horizontal one, and here let's type it number of respondents. This is how we create a frequency table and a bar chart that represents the frequency table.